What happened to your brother? Prakhar is sick. He has high fever. Oh, is he going to be alright? I don't know. The doctor gave him medicines, but they are not working. Oh no, what are we going to do now?
Hi Naveen, what are you doing inside your brother's body?
Oh hi, I'm here to cure Prakhar's fever. But who are you?
It's me, the throat.
Oh hello, nice meeting you. Do you know? The fever, Mr. Stomach. I have come here to cure it. Throat told me that I should come to you.
See, Naveen, all the food that your brother eats reaches me. I then help break and digest the food and send all of it to the intestines. So if something is wrong, it must be at the intestines.
Oh, thank you. I will go and meet the intestines then.
Just go straight ahead and you can meet both of them. Ah,
Hey, are you alright?
I don't know. Something is hurting me. You better go and meet the intestines. I am not good company for now.
Okay, you take care of yourself.
Naveen, what are you doing here? You shouldn't be here right now.
Are you the intestines? And why do you look so sick?
Yes, we are the intestines. We do help in digestion of food. We are the two of us, small intestine and the big intestine. We are like tubes through which food passes and gets digested. But you better hurry and go from here quickly.
Why are you asking me to go? And why are you looking so scared?
Look, there. There has been an attack by the bacteria.
Oh my god, these ugly, hairy monsters are bacteria?
Yes, but they are the bad bacteria. The good ones would never hurt us.